Hello students, today we are going to study Science Part 2 of Standard 10, Chapter number 4, Environmental Management. Earlier we studied about the environment, types of environment, that is natural and artificial environment, basic factors of environment, biotic and abiotic factors, ecology and ecosystem. Also we studied problems occurs in environment. Now today we are going to study biodiversity and environmental conservation. Biodiversity, it is the richness of living organism in nature due to presence of varieties of organisms, ecosystems and genetic variation within a species. Biodiversity occurs at three different levels: genetic diversity, species diversity, and ecosystem diversity. Genetic diversity, occurrence of diversity among the organisms of the same species is genetic diversity. For example, each human being is different from the other. If there is decrease in genetic diversity within the species, then the possibility of wiping out the species arises. Second, species diversity. Innumerable species of organisms occurs in the nature. This is called as species diversity. Species diversity includes various types of plants, animals and microbes. Third, ecosystem diversity. Many ecosystems are present in each region. Ecosystem is formed through the interaction between plants, animals and their habitat and changes in the environment. As we studied earlier, due to environmental pollution, biodiversity is decreasing. Therefore, endangered heritage places are increasing. For example, the Western Ghat spread over the states of Gujarat, Maharashtra, Goa, Tamil Nadu and Kerala has been endangered due to mining industry and search for natural gas. Habitats of Asiatic lion and wild bison of this region have been under threat. Second, Manas Sanctuary. Manas Sanctuary of the Assam is under threat due to dams and indiscriminate use of water. Tiger and rhino of that region are under threat. Third, Sundarban Sanctuary of West Bengal is reserved for tigers. However, the tiger's population and overall local environment seriously challenged by dams, deforestation, excessive fishing, trenches dug for same. Classification of threatened species. First, endangered species. Either number of these organisms is declined or their habitat is shrunk to such an extent that they can be extinct in near future if conservative measures are not implemented. For example, lion-tailed monkey, Lesser florican. Second, rare species. Number of these organisms is considerably declined. Organisms of this species being endemic may become extinct very fast. For example, red panda, musk deer. Third, vulnerable species. Number of these organisms is extremely less and continues to decline. Continuous decline in their number is worrisome reason. For example, tiger, lion. Fourth, indeterminate species. These organisms appear to be endangered, but due to their some behavioral habits, there is no definite substantial information. For example, giant squirrel, that is shekru. By following activities, biodiversity can be conserved. First, protection of the rare species. Second, creating national parks and sanctuaries. Third, declaring some regions as bioreserves. Fourth, projects for conservation of spatial spaces. Fifth, conserving all plants and animals. Sixth, observing the rules. 7. Maintaining record of traditional knowledge. Students, as environmental pollution is occurred due to human, so it is our social responsibility for environmental conservation. There are many laws are enacted about environmental conservation. Many voluntary and involuntary organizations are doing great work in this region, but our role is very important in this topic. So what is my role in environment conservation? That is conserving the available resources. Control, preventing the harm, stopping the harmful activities and changing the mindset. Production, revival of harm factors of environment and attempting innovation. Awareness, about education, guidance, awareness, imitation, organization and participation. Prevention, preventing possible harms, designing new plans, factors harmful to environment. Preservation, preserving whatever has been left over, remedies to prevent further loss and preserving unknown regions. Here there are some symbols related to environmental conservation. First symbol tells us to keep our wastes carefully. The garbage should not be thrown anywhere, but it should be properly managed. Second symbol, as you can see on the screen, this symbol tells us to save electricity. If electricity is carefully used, we can save our natural resources. Third symbol shows bicycle, means use of bicycle means use of green energy. By riding on a bicycle, we save on fuel and use our own muscular energy. It is the best eco-friendly, non-polluting vehicle. Fourth symbol is giving the message save water. Sustainable use of water is necessary for our future.